Stop scrolling, make sure you watch till the end. If you use a computer or smartphone every day, you're probably wasting hours doing tasks that could be completed in just a few minutes. Searching for the right tool, editing files, removing image backgrounds, converting documents, creating designs. The good news is, there are websites that can do much of this work for you. Today, I'm showing you 7 websites that can save you hours every single week. And trust me, number 2 is one you should definitely bookmark. Let's get into it. Number 7, I love PDF. If you regularly work with PDF files, you need to know this website. Instead of downloading different programs for every PDF task, I love PDF gives you tools for things like merging PDFs, splitting documents, compressing files, and converting files between different formats. Imagine receiving 5 separate PDF documents and needing to combine them into one. Instead of searching for software, installing it, and figuring out how it works, you can handle the task directly online. That's time saved. Number 6, Remove.bg. Have you ever needed to remove the background from a picture? Doing it manually can be frustrating, especially if you don't know how to use professional image editing software. Remove.bg is designed to make that process much faster. Upload your image, and the website automatically detects the main subject and removes the background. This can be useful for YouTube thumbnails, product pictures, profile photos, presentations, and social media content. A task that could take several minutes can be reduced to a few clicks. Number 5, Canva. You don't need to be a professional designer to create good-looking graphics. With Canva, you can start with templates for presentations, posters, social media posts, resumes, thumbnails, and many other designs. Instead of staring at a blank screen wondering where to begin, choose a template and customize it. For creators and small businesses especially, this can save a ridiculous amount of time. And if you're creating YouTube content, Canva can become one of your everyday tools. Number 4, TinyWow. This website is basically a digital toolbox for everyday file problems. Need to work with a PDF? Need to convert or modify a document? Need to process an image? TinyWow provides a variety of online tools for common digital tasks. The biggest advantage is convenience. Instead of searching Google every time you have a small file problem, you can check one website first and see if it has the tool you need. Bookmark this one. Number 3, DeepL. If you work with people from different countries or regularly deal with foreign languages, DeepL can save you a lot of time. You can use it to translate text between supported languages and quickly understand information written in another language. It's especially useful when you need a quick translation without manually searching for every word. Of course, for important legal, medical, or professional documents, you should still verify translations properly. But for everyday work and communication, this can be a huge time saver. Number 2, Google Drive. Here's a simple one that can completely change how you manage your files. Instead of keeping everything on one computer, Google Drive lets you store files online and access them from different devices. You can also work with tools like Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. So if you're working on a document at school, at work, or on your laptop at home, you can continue from another device without starting all over again. That's not just convenient. It's a much smarter way to work. And finally, number 1, ChatGPT. If you use it properly, an AI assistant can save you hours every week. You can use it to brainstorm ideas, summarize information, explain difficult topics, organize your thoughts, draft content, create outlines, troubleshoot problems, and help you learn new skills. But here's the important part. Don't use AI just to do everything for you. Use it as a tool to help you think faster, learn faster, and get through repetitive tasks more efficiently. The people who learn how to use AI effectively are going to have a serious advantage. So those are 7 websites that can save you hours every week. Don't just watch this video and forget about them. Open a new bookmark folder called Useful Websites and save the ones you'll actually use. And if you want more websites, AI tools, computer shortcuts, and digital skills that make everyday technology easier. Subscribe to Smart Digital Skills. Because the goal isn't to work harder, it's to work smarter. I'll see you in the next video.